Hello and welcome everyone back to another video. My name is luckycat, and today we are back with another video. Now this should be the second video I upload today because this will be part of a lot of dApps that I'm going to be uploading and reviewing today that have launched today. So this is a crazy day for this channel. So if you're new here, subscribe, stay tuned. There's a chance that you've missed a video before that I just did, so go watch that. It's another dApp that I uploaded, a new one that just launched, and you guys know about the early gainers gain, guys. And then expect another 1 or 2 more videos after this in an hour. So by the time this is out, there's a chance that it's already out. And expect as well, there's going to be a giveaway where I'm going to choose 5 lucky people from the people who have used my referral link, and I'll give them each 0.1 BNB. So what you need to do is basically go to my Telegram, DM me at Coolide and say, yo, I've used your referral link in this dApp, and then give me your wallet address. And then after that, I'll do that in a video where I'll select 5 lucky people and give them 0.1 BNB. Simple as that. But without further ado, today we're talking about the farmhouse. Now this has just launched today, but it has been blowing up. You guys already can see it has 614,000 Matic already. So yes, this is on the Matic network. I'm going to leave this article in the description of how to add it to your MetaMask. It's super easy. All you got to do is fill in the blanks right here, and then you get it. So now I have roughly 40 plus Matic. I'm going to be depositing 40 in this video live to show you. And yes guys, this is a Matic in, Matic out. So there's no other tokens that you need to invest in. Or when you sell it, it does not come in another token that you then have to sell it to Matic. So that's the beauty of it. And this one gives you 7% daily return, but it's 2% dev fees. Now this is very similar to baked beans, but they've tweaked the numbers a little bit for less dev fees. So you know what I mean, I'm not mad at it, basically. And to keep it simple, yes, this is audited, and I'm gonna leave the audit link in the description. It is beautiful from Hayes Crypto. I trust this auditor, and as you guys can see, high issues, and it's basically flagged as a high issue because it's high risk, because your deposits cannot be withdrawn, basically, which is all dApps. They're all high risks at the end of the day. I hope you guys know that, by the way. No financial advice, only invest money that you do not mind going to zero. You know what I mean? Joining in an 8% dApp is super risky. This will not last, just so you guys know. It's all a matter of how much money can I make off this in the short term / mid term. You can ROI, you can 2x 3x the initial deposit, but it will not last. So make sure to take profits and stuff. Don't compound 7 days in a week. Do as they say, which is compound 6 days, and then claim 1 day at least, because then you will slowly get to your ROI. But anyways, today we're going to be depositing my 40 Matic. If I click 40 and I click plant the seeds, and then it's going to be a simple transaction, cheap. It's another positive of Polygon. But yeah, just imagine if people made baked beans, like a fork of baked beans on Ether. I would never join that. You guys already know. But yeah, successful transaction. If I reload, it should update my seeds, which can take some time apparently. Maybe because there's a lot of people in the website. But as you guys can see, it's popping. Like this place it got 1.1k members. There's a lot of people already talking about it. Invite more, blah blah blah. They've, you know what I mean, like look at this 6.1. They've already made a lot of graphics and stuff. These people, I think this is one of the ones that really will blow up. So I'm gonna refresh it one last time just to make sure. Okay, yep. So it did pull out my Matic. Oh, I need to click connect. And yeah, I have 850 seeds. That says pretty beautiful, and it's 7% a day, guys. I'm gonna leave that video. Simple as that. You guys can do your own research, read the full audit, join the Telegram, look at this website, you know what I mean. And yeah, remember, there's gonna be 5 lucky winners, whoever used my referral link. So link in the description to the farmhouse if you want to join it and start making your own 7% a day.